Surah, number 77, of Quran Majeed. The emissaries.
Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
Wal Mursalati 'urfa.
By the angelic emissaries sent successively.
Fal 'asifati 'asfa.
By those who sweep along like gale.
Wan nashirati nashra.
By those who publish the divine messages far and wide.
Fal fariqati farqa.
By those who separate the truth from falsehood distinctly.
Fal mulqiyati dhikra.
By those who inspire God's remembrance.
عذرا أو نذرا.
As exemption or warning.
إنما توعدون لواقع.
What you are promised will surely befall.
فإذا النجوم طمست.
When the stars are blotted out.
وإذا السماء فرجت.
And the sky is cleft.
وإذا الجبال نسفت.
When the mountains are scattered, like dust.
وإذا الرسل أقتت.
And time is set for the apostles to bear witness.
لأي يوم أجلت.
For what day has all that been set to occur?
ليوم الفصل.
For the day of judgment.
وما أدراك ما يوم الفصل.
And what will show you what is the day of judgment?
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe to the deniers on that day.
ألم نهلك الأولين.
Did we not destroy the former generations?
ثم نتبعهم الآخرين.
And then made the latter ones follow them?
كذلك نفعل بالمجرمين.
That is how we deal with the guilty.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe to the deniers on that day.
ألم نخلقكم من ماء مهين.
Have we not created you from a base fluid?
فجعلناه في قرار مكين.
And then lodged it in a secure abode.
إلى قدر معلوم.
Until a known span of time.
فقدرنا فنعم القادرون.
Then we determined, and how excellent determiners we are.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe to the deniers on that day.
ألم نجعل الأرض كفاتا.
Have we not made the earth a receptacle?
أحياء وأمواتا.
For the living and the dead.
وجعلنا فيها رواسي شامخات وأسقيناكم ماء فراتا.
And set in it lofty and firm mountains, and given you agreeable water to drink?
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe to the deniers on that day.
انطلقوا إلى ما كنتم به تكذبون.
The faithless will be told, proceed toward what you used to deny.
انطلقوا إلى ظل ذي ثلاث شعب.
Proceed toward the triple-forked shadow.
لا ظليل ولا يغني من اللهب.
neither shade nor of any avail against the flames.
إنها ترمي بشرر كالقصر.
Indeed it throws up, giant, sparks like castles.
كأنه جمالة صفر.
Bright, like yellow camels.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe to the deniers on that day.
هذا يوم لا ينطقون.
This is a day wherein they will not speak.
ولا يؤذن لهم فيعتذرون.
Nor will they be permitted to offer excuses.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe to the deniers on that day.
هذا يوم الفصل جمعناكم والأولين.
This is the day of judgment. We have brought you together with the former generations.
فإن كان لكم كيد فكيدون.
If you have any stratagems left, try them out against me.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe to the deniers on that day.
إن المتقين في ظلال وعيون.
Indeed the God-weary will be amid shades and springs.
وفواكه مما يشتهون.
And, enjoying, such fruits as they desire.
كلوا واشربوا هنيئا بما كنتم تعملون.
They will be told, enjoy your food and drink, a reward, for what you used to do.
إنا كذلك نجزي المحسنين.
Thus do we reward the virtuous.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe to the deniers on that day.
كلوا وتمتعوا قليلا إنكم مجرمون.
Eat and enjoy a little. You are indeed guilty.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe to the deniers on that day.
وإذا قيل لهم اركعوا لا يركعون.
When they are told, bow down, in prayer, they do not bow down.
ويل يومئذ للمكذبين.
Woe to the deniers on that day.
فبأي حديث بعده يؤمنون.
So what discourse will they believe after this?